Adam Stern here at KCRS23. I'm here with Dr. Nazli Dizman from MD Anderson, and she's here to talk about some of her work which has to do with the gut microbiome and how it interrelates with the immune system. Thank you, Dr. Dizman.
Thank you so much. I appreciate this opportunity to talk about the gut microbiome and immune system axis. As we all know, there are trillions of bacteria that reside in our guts and interact with our immune system. And particularly in oncology, this interaction is very important, especially in patients receiving immune checkpoint blockade. This interaction actually is mediated by several factors. And first of this is diet. We recommend our patients to kind of maintain a balanced diet, high in micronutrients and high in fiber, and refrain from the processed food. We know that particularly 1/3 of our patients receive over-the-counter probiotics, and the data on the benefit or harm from these over-the-counter products is severely limited. And in fact, there's a study done at MD Anderson looking at patients with melanoma, and they saw that patients who received over-the-counter probiotics while on immunotherapies actually had worse outcomes. So we recommend our patients to focus on diet and just make sure that they receive enough micronutrients and enough fiber a day.
So prioritizing what you eat in a healthy way as opposed to taking nutrients or supplements over the counter.
Yeah, particularly for probiotics.
Got it.
Not trying to mediate it with a product that you buy over the counter, but making sure that you get enough fiber and you get enough micronutrients and enough vegetables to feed your microbiome and help it grow in a diverse way. And antibiotics is another mediator. We know that antibiotics result in worse outcomes when used in patients with receiving immunotherapy. This has been shown in several cancers, including kidney cancer. That's why we try to refrain from using antibiotics unnecessarily in our patients. But again, if this is the case, we get asked a lot, so I got antibiotics, how can I fix my microbiome? Again, I guess with the available data, the main suggestion is to reach that eubiosis state with a balanced diet rather than using over-the-counter products. Aside from that, I think there are several studies that we need to cite looking at dietary interventions, lifestyle interventions, using live bacterial products such as we did with CBM-588, or probiotics, prebiotics, and high fiber diets and fasting. So it's an exciting era that we're going to learn a lot. So I urge our patients to ask their oncologists if they have any of these types of studies so that they can help us understand how to utilize gut microbiome to fight kidney cancer.
Okay, so to summarize, patients should eat a healthy diet, of course, follow their doctor's advice whenever possible, and follow the research as it evolves in the coming years when we learn more and more about ways that physicians and scientists are able to discover about enhancing the effect of things like immunotherapy through the gut microbiome.
Yeah, absolutely. And we appreciate patients' participation in our studies.
All right. Thank you. You heard it here first, everyone. Dr. Dizman, thank you very much.